Alright, so exercise 2.8. When you take a look at the directions in your textbook, it says we're going to be preparing an income statement, okay? And we just did one a few exercises ago. We know we have revenue and expenses, and we figure out if we made money or if we lost money. So remember that an income statement covers a period of time. And during that time, we're to figure out, again, if we made money, net income, or if we lost money, net loss. So when you look at all the information that they've given us, the company is Perez Investment Services, so they offer advice about investing and managing money. So we are given the numbers for the end of September, and we're going to figure out the income statement for the month of September. So when you're looking down the left-hand column, cash, accounts receivable, supplies, equipment, payable, and capital, those are the accounts that are going to be in the balance sheet. And all we need to make our income statement is revenue and expenses. So if you look in the right-hand column, we've got fees income, that's our revenue, and then 3 expenses, advertising, salaries, and telephone. Those are our 3 expenses. So those are the 4 numbers that we're going to need to make this income statement. The withdrawals, that's going to come in our next statement that we make for the Perez Investment Services, our statement of owner's equity. So for now, we're going to be using fees income, advertising expense, salary expense, and telephone expense to create our income statement. So to begin with, we always start with the name of the company on the top line. So it's who, what, and when. So Perez Investment Services. It is an income statement. That's the what. And when. This is covering a period of time, so we can't just put a date on it. We have to tell it that it's for the month of September. So month ended September 30th, 2016. I guess we're working into the future. Okay, the first heading we put down then is revenue. That's just a heading. And then we indent the name of our revenue account, which is fees income. This number is a total, so we can take it clear to the right-hand side of the 2 columns. So that's 77,900. Ooh, it's hard for me to write in those little boxes, sorry. 77,900. Let me try it again. 77,900. That looks better. This is a 2-column statement. In the first column, we add numbers together. In the second column, we have totals. If you think of it that way, then you know which column to put things in. But really, you'll be memorizing these income statements and all of the statements, all the financial statements. Okay, next we have a heading, expenses. And then we indent and we list our expenses in alphabetical order. So advertising, expense, and that number is 6,500. Next we have salaries expense. And that is 16,000. And last we have telephone expense. And that is $800. Okay, next we need to add those together. We're going to indent and put total expenses So we're going to be memorizing the formatting of all of our financial statements. We're going to put the answer to our total in the right-hand column. We have to show that we're adding, so we're going to draw a super straight line with a ruler underneath the three numbers, but we're going to put the total in the right-hand column. So the total of those three numbers is 23,300. And on the next line, we're going to write either net income or net loss. We just need to look at the two numbers and say, okay, I spent less than I made, so it's going to be net income. So that goes back on the left-hand side as a heading. So our net income. And again, we're going to do the math here, so we're going to put a straight line saying that we're going to do the math. We're going to subtract 23,300 from 77,900 to get 54,600. And that is a total, and so we will super straight put a double line. I wonder if I can lay a ruler on my tablet. Maybe I can. I'll try. And so our the Perez Investment Services increased their revenue, or their income, increased their business by $54,600 during the month.